Sometimes when you're working, your toolbar will look different than you're used to. For example, right now I have condensed and minimized my tools, so if I really wanted to, I could still use them, but I have to like click in, and then it's really hard to see and use. So the way to change that is if you look at this up arrow in this white rectangle, that button toggles 4 different styles of your toolbar. So if I click once, it's going to minimize even that draw section and modify. I can click it one more time. That's going to give me the traditional toolbar that we normally will see in classroom. This is how I like to use. I'll still type some of my tools, which you can do with any tool view, but this is specifically what you may be used to looking to, and sometimes they just get minimized and you can toggle through with this button. So I'm just single clicking to make sure I can see the way I want it to.